Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a satisfying little weekend project, power washing and sealing a wooden shed and fence using an affordable electric power washer and a simple water-based sealant. This is a budget-friendly, beginner-friendly project that anyone can do and your fence will thank you for it. If you've been thinking that your fence or shed looks a little tired or gray, stick around because we're bringing it back to life today. So I picked up this electric power washer online for under $100. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Assembly is super easy, just a few pieces to snap in, hook up the hose, and plug it in. Electric power washers like this one are perfect for light to medium duty jobs. They're quieter, easier to move around, and you don't need to mess with gas or oil. This video is all about making fence maintenance simple and accessible. Now comes the fun part, power washing. You always want to start with a lower pressure tip and work your way up if needed. I'm being careful not to get too close to the wood so I don't gouge it. The goal is to clean, not damage. Look at that difference. It's like watching years of dirt, mold, and grime just melt away. You really forget how much color and character wood has until you clean it. This fence is less than a year old, so it didn't require a major cleaning. This only took me a couple of hours total, and then I let everything dry out overnight so that the wood could soak up the sealer properly. Alright, it's the next day and everything is nice and dry. Before sealing, I'm taking a few minutes to tape off the metal hardware and hinges. You don't have to do this part, but it keeps things looking clean and prevents buildup on metal parts. For the sealant, I'm using a neutral toned water-based wood sealer, and this helps protect the wood from sun, rain, and general wear and tear while keeping a natural look. I'm going to be using a basic paint sprayer here to apply the stain, and it's not necessary, but it makes the job go a lot faster and gives a nice even coat. If you don't have one, no worries. A brush or roller works perfectly fine as well. After spraying, I will go back in some spots with a brush and just to make sure that the sealer really gets into the grain, especially on any rough or weathered areas. Some people say that after spraying you need to come back with a roller and back roll every single one of these fence pickets that you do, but I'm not going to do that part. Taking care of your fence or shed like this every 2 to 3 years can seriously extend its life. It helps prevent rot, keeps bugs away, and keeps the wood from drying out or cracking. It's one of those chores that's easy to put off, but doing it now can save you thousands in repairs or replacement down the line. The previous owners of this home neglected the fence for a long time, and I tried to bring it back a couple of times, but finally we had to replace it, and it cost several $1,000s. I'm not a professional by any means, and if you've got any tips on fence maintenance or any questions like that, just drop them in the comments and I'd love to chat with you. I love hearing your advice and learning from the awesome DIY community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple DIY projects like this one. I'm always trying to share things that are practical, affordable, and approachable. My neighbors on both sides got their fences redone at the same time as we did, and so I went ahead and sealed their sections as well, so it wasn't a huge, stark difference in between my fence and their fence. I'm not going to do their entire fence, but I was happy to do the little door section just so it didn't look off compared to ours. So here's the final result, a clean, sealed fence and shed that'll last years longer, and all it took was about a half a weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.